Welcome to Solution Point. So in this video, we will discuss this question, which is based on composite function from previous year GCSE Higher Tier paper. The function f and g are such that f of x is 2x plus 3 whole squared and g of x is 2x minus 1. And we need to solve these two parts. Now let's first discuss how these functions works. So f of x means 2x plus 3 whole squared. So whenever we are replacing anything in place of x, we need to times that by 2 and then add 3 in it. And whatsoever we'll get, we need to square that way. Similarly, g of x says that whenever we are replacing anything in place of x, we need to times that by 2 and then subtract 1 from it. And in the first part of the question, we need to work out of for g of f of minus 3. So I can write this as g of f of minus 3. Remember, whenever we need to solve this type of question, always go reverse. So the very first thing which I need to solve here is f of minus 3. Since we know that f of x is 2x plus 3 whole squared, so f of minus 3 will be 2 times minus 3 plus 3 whole squared. So this will be minus 6 plus 3 whole squared minus 3 whole squared, which is 9. So I can say that this f of minus 3 will be 9. Now we need to work out on g of 9. We know that g of x is 2x minus 1. So if I replace this x with 9, so we need to times it by 2 and then subtract 1 from it. So it will be 18 minus 1, which is 17. So the answer for this question is 17. G of f of minus 3 will be 7. Now in the second part of the question, we need to work out for the inverse of this function. G of x equals to 2x minus 1. Now there is a working rule to find inverse of any function. The very first thing which you need to do here is, let's replace this g of x with y. So this will become y equals to 2x minus 1. Now remember, we need to isolate this x on one of the side, or I can say that you need to work out for the value of x from here. So I need to get rid of this 1 from here. So let's add 1 on both sides. So this will be y plus 1 and this will be 2x. Now I need to get rid of this 2, so I need to divide this by 2 on both sides. So this will be y plus 1 divided by 2 and this will be x. Now the inverse of this function will be whatsoever you get here, just replace this y with x. So this will be x plus 1 divided by 2. This is the inverse of this function, which is g of x. I hope you understand the question. Thank you so much. Keep learning.